Aku akan tip siapang cumi. Keremen 4. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jela upa Sanbor Shullai hakas pautrik na itong ahaja penriau. Ulakan tho ting ya ka Voice of the People's Party ka Pyrshah ya ka Khot Sngewlehraiñ da ka Sngewlehraiñ. Ya Menteri rang ba ka Jela Assam Himata Sharma hakas ngipin kut ya ka le nyam Behdeiñkhlam hajuai. Hakajing kran bikilap sai khubor uba Sanbor loong. Pakajing Pyrshah jong ka VPP kalau ka jing Sngewlehraiñ bat ka bamdan nong rem hai ru pen penyesno ka jing le nyam Behdeiñkhlam bat ka kamya ka Japut apa deng kami Meghalaya bat Assam.
Yes, we feel so embarrassed that the party, they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himata Sharma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Pnar community, the Behdeiñkhlam. Yesterday, I was also with him. On other Deputy Chief Minister, local MLA, we are all together. Feel so funny that they allege that Himata Sharma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himata Sharma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Pnar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sngewlehraiñ, Joy, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Pnar Behdeiñkhlam as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestions, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so funny that party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of our state.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.